It all starts with a dream that then becomes a goal and then turns into reality. There's a hidden gift within all of us. There lies our life's purpose. To set out on this quest to discover deep within what it is that we are destined to become. When you eliminate the current programming that we are brainwashed into believing, that's when the magic begins. I believe childhood is when we are our truest self and begin to express our unique individuality. We are not afraid to be ourselves. We do not care what others think, just full of imagination and creation. Blinded by society's expectations, we are often strayed away from our creative flow, the very thing that makes us unique. Without, we have no sense of self. Without a sense of self, we become lost. Many of us are stuck in this day-to-day trap, living for the expectations of others. To break away, you must push through the limitations that are projected onto you and the limitations you've placed on yourself. You have to unbury yourself from fear, worry, anxiety, negativity, self-doubt, self-destruction. Unlearn who they want you to be and relearn who you want to be. It won't be an easy journey, but it is the best thing you could ever do for yourself. Replace self-doubt with self-belief and watch how fast you start to grow. Treat your mind like a garden. Tend to it, water it, nurture it, create a safe, positive environment for it. Watch how you start to evolve, becoming all things you imagine to be. To create a better life, it all begins with a choice. You can either keep wishing or just go do it. What are you going to choose? Don't make yourself wait any longer. It's up to you. It's you versus you.